Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce to my project where I designed a 4-bit synchronous counters using JK flip-flop. This project it will count only numbers of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 10, and 14. And the numbers that the will be unused will be written to number 10. So here I'm using 4 JK flip-flop. That means it is a 4-bit synchronous counter. And from the key map that I got, I'm connecting the each input to every flip-flop. So as you can see that this is coming from this, and why it's coming to this interactive digital constant, it is because it is 1 from the key map. So this one is 0 because it doesn't have any uh, grouping. So as you can see, I connected all of this. The output will be a little weird because there is like number 10, 12, and 14. It's not actually gonna work. It's only 1 7 segments. It is to have 2 7 segments. So it will come out with this weird output, but it is still uh, correct output for number 10, 12, and 14. Thank you. That's all from me.